Have you noticed how some phone launches just sneak up on us, while others build hype step by step until it feels like everyone's talking about them? That's exactly what OnePlus is doing with its next flagship, the OnePlus 15, and from the looks of it, the company wants to make sure you don't forget this phone is coming. So what's new? Let's start with the design. OnePlus has been teasing this phone for weeks, and the latest set of images focus on one color in particular called sand. Storm, it's not just a fancy name. This version comes with a body made of metal that's been treated with something called aerospace-grade micro-arc oxidation. In simple terms, it's a high-end coating that makes the phone's surface feel ceramic-like while also adding durability. It's the kind of material treatment you'd usually find on airplanes or heavy-duty equipment, built to resist scratches and scuffs from daily use. In other words, the OnePlus 15 isn't just about looks, it's designed to handle real-life wear and tear. From the teasers, you can also see a big change on the back of the phone. Instead of the older circular design we saw on the OnePlus 13, this time OnePlus has gone with a rectangular camera island. It makes the phone look more in line with its recent designs like the OnePlus One 3T. And honestly, it gives it a sleeker, more modern vibe. Now, you might be wondering, wait, wasn't there supposed to be a OnePlus 14? Well, the company skipped that number completely and jumped straight to the 15. That move alone has people talking. But what's even more interesting is how early this launch is shaping up to be. Usually, OnePlus releases its flagship in China first, then waits a few months before rolling it out globally. For example, the OnePlus 13 launched in China in October 2024, but didn't make it to the global market until January 2025, just before Samsung dropped its Galaxy S25 lineup. This time though, OnePlus is shaking things up. The China launch is expected to happen on October 27th, and the global launch could follow just a couple of weeks later on November 13th. That's much earlier than usual. And it could be a very smart strategy. Why? Because of timing. The iPhone 17 series has just landed, and Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup is right around the corner. By placing its launch in between those two giants, OnePlus has carved out a window where it can grab the spotlight. Instead of being overshadowed by Apple or Samsung, it's giving buyers a fresh option at exactly the moment when many people are deciding which phone to buy next. As for the colors, so far we've only officially seen the Sandstorm model, but leaks suggest there will also be purple, black, and titanium options. OnePlus hasn't confirmed the full lineup yet, but we can expect more teasers before the big day. So, what do we have here? A flagship phone with a tough new finish, a bold new design, and a launch strategy that puts it right in the middle of the busiest shopping season of the year. OnePlus isn't just releasing a phone, it's trying to make a statement. The big question now is, will this strategy pay off? Can the OnePlus 15 stand out between the iPhone 17 and the Galaxy S26, or will it get lost in the noise? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to stay updated on the OnePlus 15 and all the big phone launches coming up, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.